Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch live football matches on your PC easily. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps support the channel. Now let's get straight into it. First, open your web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Camel Live and press enter. Click on the first result that appears. Once the page opens, look for the option that says Watch Free Facebook Live Streaming. Here you will find live football matches and ongoing competitions for today. You can also select different dates like tomorrow if you want to check upcoming matches. Now simply choose any match from the list. You'll see multiple live games currently available, so pick the one you like. I'm going to select the first match. After clicking it, the stream will start loading. It may take a few seconds, but once it loads, you'll be able to watch the match live in real time. And that's it. You're now watching live football matches on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye!